all are confused to why I look like this, well, so am I. Just kidding, no. Today we are going to be trying a DIY all-natural hair dye using Beets. They said that if you want to dye your hair red, or like you just want to get that pink highlights on your hair, or like a dip dye type of effect that is temporary, beet juice is actually amazing to use for the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and try that out if it's really true or not. Alright, so right now I'm wearing my wig, and this is 100% real hair. And also, before we begin, let me just say it to you guys that I don't think that this all-natural hair dye is going to work for people who have dark hair. That's why I wore this wig. Just because they said that this DIY would actually work for people who have lighter hair or people who have light brown hair. Use raw beets. Don't use the beets that are in the can because they won't work. Use a shirt that you don't mind staining because beets can really stain your clothes. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I will cut the beets into small pieces so that it'll be easier for me to boil them later. I know some people just simply extract the juice of the beets, but with me, I find that boiling or cooking the beets makes the color bleed out more. So after that, I will be blending it and then filter out the juice of the beets. And as you guys can see, the color of the beets here are a lot darker rather than just juicing it without boiling it. Alright, so here it is. I'm not going to add any oils or anything. I'm simply going to use this as is, so let's go. Alright you guys, so this is how much juice I extracted from those 3 beetroot. Alright, so what I'm planning to do with this is I'm just going to go ahead and do a dip dye instead of like dyeing the whole wig, because I don't want to mess up the closure of this wig. So we're going to be doing the dip dye, but however, you can go ahead and use this all over your hair if you want to. You guys ready? I'm gonna go ahead and just dip the hair inside. Oh, it's so hot. Ah, it's so hot. Okay. Ooh, we're getting some color. But I'm pretty sure we need to soak that in a little longer. Also make sure that when you're working with this, you'll have towels with you because it's messy. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit on my hair for about an hour, and then I'm gonna be working on the other side for an hour as well. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. I can't wait that long. You know what? I think I can let the other side marinate too. Let them both marinate. Ooh, no, my hair looks short. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and hold this. Wait. No, I don't think that's a good idea. Or what I can do is I can just hold this for an hour. Am I committed to do that? No, I'm not. I can pour it in the plastic and then let it soak and marinate here. Is that a brilliant idea? No. Wait, I don't think my hair can soak in that properly, not unless if it's this. You know what? For the sake of this video, I am going to stay like this. I'm actually going to let it soak in my hair for an hour. And I'm actually gonna hold this for an hour. I'm going to commit, okay? The commitment is real right now, so. Okay, as of the moment, I kind of smell like a potato. I actually like how my hair is short. It kind of reminds me of Lisa from Blackpink. Okay, so at first I thought it was a good idea, but now after like 30 minutes of holding it, it's like I can feel the struggle now. If you actually want to do this to your own hair, you can just use the plastic bags and let your hair soak in that and not do it like this. But however, I'm using a wig and I kind of find it hard to do that because I feel like the key to this for letting really the color appear on your hair is if you let it marinate on your hair for a long time and not just applying it on your hair once. Okay guys, so it has been an hour and right now this is what it looks like. I think it has colored the hair pretty well. Okay, so with this I'm not gonna wash my hair with shampoo because if you wash your hair with shampoo, it's just going to, of course, make the dye come off. So I'm just gonna wash it off with water and then I'm gonna dry it out and let you all see the result. You guys, I think that it did work. It's not as red as I want it to be. It kind of gave it kind of like that strawberry blonde-ish, because you can actually see the contrast of this blonde to this right here. It actually, in the camera, it kind of looks brown-ish red. I mean, like, I only soaked this in my hair for about an hour, and this is the result that I've gotten. And I was like, maybe if I soaked it a little bit longer, I would have gotten a really nice burgundy shade. But this color is actually really cute. And I feel like this is the realistic result that you're going to get if your hair is blonde. But so far, so good. I mean, I have proven that this thing actually does work, as long as you follow the soaking method. And also the thing that I do like about this is that it's actually thought that this is going to dry out the hair, but it actually did not dry out my hair at all. My hair still, well, I'm referring to my hair, my wig still feels very soft, so that's a bonus. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video, and if you want more try DIYs, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below what more natural hair dyes you all want me to try out, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!